take Snorkel ducts for the front, basically for the front crash bar. I'm going to go there and there, and then obviously you'll have a choice of colours. These just simply just click on, which obviously is a little lock there, 3 tabs. We just push that in, turn it, and that locks that one. So this is going to direct air from inside the grill there up to the original intake. So we'll show you those. So big torques on the front there, just to get this plastic off. One big bolt there. And then I've got these fancy Allen key ones, but they'll be the same on yours, either a torque or an Allen key. We're going to take longer than I thought. So these we've just made. Obviously this is like a prototype model, but probably by the time you've seen this video they'll be on the website. You can get these www.KillAllChrome.com. Loads of other stuff on there as well, such as TPEs, all the induction kits by Airtech, Scorpion, exhaust, absolutely loads of performance stuff that we've got in now. So it's not just your D-chromes. And then there's 2 on either side that hold the grill onto the bumper. So I'm just going to take that out just to give me a bit more manoeuvrability on the front there. A bit longer these ones. One there, stock screw. And one there. This is the first time for me doing it as well, so see how much room there actually is. So once they're off, your 2 10mm off there for the original intake duct, which will just give you that bit more access beyond there. And then obviously you can pull that forward and you can move that shroud. So once you've got that off, I'm going to say it's dead simple, but I'm not going to say that until I've done it. So 2 clips there. Really, you can see on there, they're really well manufactured, these. So you've got all the directions for lock and unlock, the KillAllChrome logo, etc. And then all it is 2 clips. Each one there, so you'll notice on the back there's a key, so obviously that's where the brake's going in there. So we'll just take both of them off. They are paired, so obviously there's one for each side. It's a bar slope. I'm going to put the white ones on today just because you'll be able to see them a lot easier. So again, you just push them in and it shows you there, lock and unlock, so you just do that and lock it on. So that obviously is going that side. So let's see. Get that in there. Pull that down. Don't know the best to go from. Right, so if we slide it that side. Let's get it on the bar there. I presume these will, you know, they'll be movable to where you want them. It's fiddly, that. Is that the right side? It's got to be on it. Your camera. So once you've got it in there, you can see you can just clip that side on, and then obviously the other side's going to clip on there, and then you've got to fiddle about getting your little keys on. So I'll just going to point that down to begin with. Just get that in place like that. Which is fairly easy to be fair. And then 2 clips where I put the clips. And 2 clips that I've not lost. And then they just click onto the front there. Excellent. This one's a bit deeper, so.
Yes, but you didn't tell us.
So that's one in. And then obviously we've got to align that. Once we've got the snorkel back on, we can align that so it goes straight up. Obviously into these here. So we'll do the other one. Might actually be easy, no, I don't know actually, no. I was thinking it might be easy to do these off, but fiddle getting them in. Obviously with a GP grill, the bottom bit's a little bit deeper, so it is a bit tighter. But I mean, normal JCW grill doesn't have this big deep bit here, so it's fine. Good job these are flexible, yeah. And basically clip that bit on the bottom, like that. So you don't even need to hold it while you're constructing it. You have to angle it down a bit there. And there's not one on top. Good fix it. That one, so show them that, you can see that, you sort of move up and down to positioning there, which is obviously going to make this bit. At that point, again, I've not done this before, so you can see there, that one won't go in that way, that one won't go in that way, so we'll just leave that loose. Snatch them up there. And you should pop into this. Just like that. Perfect. Get this one. Start like that. Twisting that one a little bit. And get this back down, that locks onto that. Onto there, so obviously that gives you then your sort of centralisation. You can see when I bolt it down, it's when you onto there, and then if you look through the front, you can see them snorkels and the feeding direct up into the airbox feed. Like I say, we've just brought these out. They're not in stock yet, but they're on the way. We'll have a limited amount to begin with, so obviously if you do want them straight away, get your pre-order in. We'll be doing the thing to start off with in red, white and blue. There will be other colours coming at a later date, but we haven't decided on yet till we get some feedback on them. Like I say, you can get these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. Thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing, etc. It's much appreciated.